Okay, so I'm bringing everyone up to speed on the steering wheel for the BMW. I am going with an aftermarket wheel just because with it being a drift car, if I had the factory airbags in there, they would definitely explode on the first thing that I hit with the front end. So that being said, I bought a really inexpensive aftermarket wheel. This was, I believe, less than $40, so it was really cheap. I did not like the fake leather and the yellow stitching. Wasn't a big fan of that, so I cut it off. And the plan was to rewrap it with this blue stuff, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna throw that stuff away. I didn't want to bite off more than I could chew with that, so we are using hockey tape. We're also going with pink, new color. I think the plan of attack is to wrap these things first and then just do a continuous wrapper on the wheel. I think that will look better. So here we go. Alright, and we'll just start wrapping the wheel. The color comes out a lot more when you make two layers, so I'm going to do kind of a slower wrap so it wraps over itself. Definitely looks homemade. I am cool with it. For me, it's just to get started on that BMW. Alright, and that is the pink. It is done. Electrical tape here. Oh, it's yellow. There we have it. The dirt cheap steering wheel. And I now have a pink and yellow steering wheel. Lucked out with the yellow. I was actually planning on doing black tape, but the yellow is here on the table. Out to the garage to get this put on. Alright. And that's our airbag. Pop it off like that. Cool. Factory airbag, good to go. Unplug, unplug. Little mini Torx. Alright, so I know steering wheels can get pretty stubborn, so I'm just going to blast it off with the impact. Easy peasy. Now I'm gonna snap a picture because I always forget to take pictures of stuff I'm working on, and this will help me with the positioning of this wheel. So when I put the aftermarket wheel on, we can have it as centered as possible. That was a little easy. I feel like that shouldn't have taken off that easy, but no, whatever. I don't know if anyone watching this has been hit with an airbag, but I have, and it sounds like, oh, airbag, you know, pillow of air. Not the case. It's literally the equivalent of the car punching you. That's what it feels like. Just pow, right in the face. It sucks. Don't wanna be doing that. Okay, so factory wheel. We'll go ahead and put that. Oh, where we're we gonna put it? You know what? We'll leave it on the bench. Take it home. Okay, and wait, does this thing accommodate those two holes? No way. Alright, we're gonna finagle this thing and try and figure out how to get this to set in a little more. So that's what tells it the wheel's there. Okay. There we go. That's a little bit off though, so let's rotate this a little bit to the left. Boom. That is all the way on there. So, get the old impact. We're just gonna hit it with, it only took one click to get it off, so alright, that'll do. And now, Yep. Okay. Yep. Totally dig it. This is cool. Now to get on to the big stuff. The meat and potatoes, which is welding that rear subframe. I got a guy who can weld it, I believe. I need to contact him though, and I haven't done that yet. So next on the list, contact the welder, get the subframe welded. But this wraps it up for the steering wheel video. Peace.